Welcome to today's fast track episode of The Growth Zone. My name is Christian Bartsch, and these episodes provide you with a focused, mind-feeding topic. You can use it to have some new ideas to guide you through the day. Let's get started on today's topic. So, in today's episode, we are going to look at 5G. So, the topic today, why is 5G going to transform manufacturing by cutting labor costs and jobs? So, for those who are not quite aware what actually 5G means from a perspective of a user, from consumer and industrial perspective. So, what's 5G compared to 4G? 5G offers 10 times the speed. But the thing is, it's not just the speed, it's the bandwidth. And with more bandwidth, we can do much more. It's not just about being able to watch some videos and movies on your phone or on your tablet whilst you're traveling or something. The key thing is what really generates massive changes in the job place. And that's 5G, as it offers many opportunities, not only in automotive, but as well in manufacturing. So 5G isn't going to go and be the roboter, but it's actually going to allow the roboter in the factory to communicate with other roboters, with a central system. It'll allow it to combine with the cloud, satellites, and many other things. So you'd say, okay, why is it supposed to cost jobs? Yeah, there's no big deal about it, so it's more communication. No, it means more intelligent communication between the machines and the humans. And the thing is, of course, machines talking to machines, it means one machine is manufacturing one part and informs the other machine that it can go and get it more supplies. Or one machine notices that the supplies are going down, so it orders from the warehouse the supplies. Let's say a certain part that you need to use to manufacture something. So it gets the parts and delivers the parts to the robot, to the machine that's currently doing something that needs those parts in time. So there's actually no need to have somebody moving around something with a forklift. That's the first kind of job that is going to eventually fade away. Besides the humans who usually would be standing next to the machine, stop it and change the baskets. Instead, the systems are able to do this all by themselves. And it's not just about filling a basket with parts that the robot can pick out and put into whatever position it has to do. It means, of course, that robots are not just one element with 2 or 3 angles that they can move. They can have multiple angles that they can move around and do certain kind of tasks. And it can be even a whole set of robots doing different kind of things with different kind of skills and abilities, all working together. So even if one robot goes and does something, another one can go and check if that robot performed the job properly or whether it needs to adjust something. Usually, a human would maybe be doing that, might even go and measure and see, okay, everything right, or is there something not quite right? Instead of the robots are able to fix the problem themselves. So the human, who usually has a certain skill and ability to do things and check things, as humans would do, will fall away. So that's as well another job that's no longer necessary. Over time, of course, the complexity of the machinery becomes higher and you need more specialized and skilled labor, but fewer. So instead of having let's say a warehouse or some manufacturing building filled with maybe 50 workers or 100 workers, now you only need maybe 5 or 2. So imagine you've got maybe 98 people who are no longer necessary because the robots can do it, and the robots can do it faster with less error, and 5G allows them to communicate with headquarters, which means, of course, headquarters knows how much is being produced, at what quality, are there any errors, doesn't have to reorder spare parts for the robots, for the machines, the stamping machines, any kind of equipment that is influencing the factory process. So, of course, the thing is, companies are going to use 5G in a very special way. And of course, the machines are not going to be watching videos. They are going to transform and transmit information and exchange information between each other and systems in the cloud. So, the thing is, in the cloud, we are processing data. In the cloud, we will have systems attached to it that use artificial intelligence. And then we go and say, well, we have got so much stuff happening, we need edge computing. And that's where 5G builds the bridge between the robot, the machine, the system that's actually on the spot thinking what to do, calculating, and the system that's actually somewhere in the cloud and managing the whole process. Because let's say you're manufacturing a car. You maybe have one factory that is making the tires, another factory that's maybe making the motors, another one does the chassis, and other kinds of things. And all that eventually comes to one big part. Even if you are manufacturing trucks or buses, it doesn't matter. You have the high complexity, usually that needs a lot of people, a lot of planning and engineering and a lot of stuff happening. You don't need that now. It happens all automatically. So we will see labor costs going down and jobs being cut. Cut in the area of logistical planning, in the area of manufacturing planning, in the area of the person sitting in the factory at a machine and managing the machine, the person with the forklift filling the machine with parts. All the different kinds of people, even those who are in quality control, we can save those by using 5G and intelligent manufacturing technology. So that's something that's not really new, but the game changer is 5G because it actually allows real-time communication between all the different stakeholders in an intelligent digital manufacturing process. So, in the next episode, I'll be giving you some more insights in what 5G can mean for us as entrepreneurs, as CEOs, as CTOs, or those who are in key decision roles, or those who are looking to find the next niche to do their business. Because that's the thing, the world of business is changing day by day. And technology is driving that at the moment because it's all about innovation and how we eventually then use that innovation to find out what we can offer the marketplace and the benefits that people are willing to spend money. And it's not all just about consumers. We're talking about industrial clients, about governments that are influencing things. All different stakeholders around in a marketplace, they have a big influence. So, we'll hear soon what becomes possible through 5G and the CV2X standard. I hope you enjoyed the Fast Track edition of today. I would like to invite you to follow our show so that you don't miss the upcoming interviews with leaders in the market. Simply visit the website follow.prmediareach.com. I will be adding the link also to the description of this episode so that you just need to click on that link. The link is follow.prmediareach.com. follow.prmediareach.com. prmediareach.com. You can follow me also on Twitter by using the Twitter handle CAPBarch. So it's spelled CAPBARTSCH. Or for those who are into sailing and flying, Charlie Alpha Papa Bravo Alpha Romeo Tango Sierra Charlie Hotel. Yes, that's CAP Barge. See you soon or hear you soon in the next episode. And please share as well this episode if you've enjoyed it and would like to let others have the opportunity to use it as well to get new ideas and insights.